Alright, everyone. We are continuing with the assignment 1 part 2 tutorial. Okay, so we have done the dummy data and the calculations already. So the next step we need to do is let's go to visualization. Okay, this is the last sheet. Okay, so right here we are going to merge the cells from B2 until L2. Okay, so click B2 until L2, then merge and center, and we're gonna type right here visualization of data for 30 people. Okay, there. Let's make it bigger as well. Let's increase the font size. Okay, next thing we got to do. Okay, we're gonna leave some space. We're gonna have two charts right here. Okay, two pie charts, but we're gonna create two mini tables right here. Okay, at B2 we are gonna start typing the create a table for the females. Okay, for a number of people that are underweight, healthy, and also overweight. So follow what I'm going to type right here. Okay, so we already finished typing what we need to type. So I'm going to adjust the width of the cell right here. And then we are going to select from B2 until C26 and then add a border. Okay, since this is for female, I'm going to highlight from B22 until C24, and I'm going to change the fill color to something pink, let's say. Okay, or you want to go to more colors and then choose a pink color right here. Okay, so we have pink color right here. Okay, so we're gonna count the number of people that are underweight, that are female. Okay, so let's click on C22. We're gonna put in the formula. Just follow what I'm gonna put here. Equal count ifs, because we're gonna have multiple conditions right here. Okay, so if, go to calculations, go to the gender data. Okay, so we're gonna select all of the gender data, okay, from the B column. Now we select all the data from the B column, and then we are going to put, oops, not the gender data, sorry. Back here. Okay, we are going to select the BMI column from calculations. Okay, BMI column from calculations. So we're going to select all of here from the E column. And then, okay, we are going to calculate number of people that are underweight, right? So the criteria is less than 18. Okay, other than that, we also need to find the ones who are female. Okay, so we are going to select the gender column right here at B, and then comma, gonna make sure it is female only, then close bracket, and press enter. Now it calculates for you how many people that are underweight and also female. Okay, now let's do the formula for healthy people. So we're going to do equal count ifs. It's almost similar to the one we did for underweight, but with more criteria. Okay, so we're going to start with the BMI first. BMI, we select all the BMI. Okay, so it must be more than and equal 18. Okay, forgot the double quote. More than equal 18. And also we're going to select the BMI data again. Okay, those who are in healthy range is starting from 18 until 25. So it's less than equal 25. Okay. Oops. My bad. So I'm going to do less than equal 25. And then we are also going to select, go to calculations. Going to go to gender. They must be female because we are only calculating for female, okay? Or counting for female. Then comma, then double quote, female. Then close bracket, enter. So there's only one person that's healthy at the moment, okay? Now we are gonna do the same way like how we did for underweight, but it's for over 25 for the BMI. So equal count ifs. So we're going to go to calculations, the BMI. Okay, so open quote, more than 25, and you select the gender, must be female. Okay, then press enter. Then there you have it. So now let's total up the number of females. So we're gonna do equal sum. Then we're gonna sum up all of this from C22 until C24. Then close. Then you have the total female. Now we're gonna do the average BMI for females, okay? So we're gonna do equal average if, okay, so we're gonna do, okay, because we're only gonna do females at the moment, so we're gonna select all the gender right here to find, okay, the range, comma, then in quote female. Then also you needed to calculate the average. So you select all of the BMI data right here. Close bracket. And then you have the calculation for the BMI. So let's click here. And then we're going to reduce the decimal place. And there we have it for the female. Okay. So we're going to do the same for the male. Okay. So right here, we're going to select the table here, Control C. We're going to go to age 22, then Control V. I'm going to adjust the size of the cells. Okay, we're going to change the color right here to blue. Okay, go here, change to blue. Instead of females, we're going to name it as males. Okay, total males. Okay, now let's do the formula right here again. Okay, so if you look here, it says calculations E4 until E33. Okay, we're gonna copy what's right here. Control C, then we enter, then go to I22, Then we're gonna select what is inside here and paste. Instead of female, we're gonna change it to male. Now, number of healthy people right here, we're gonna copy the code, not code, the formula from C23 to I23. So click here, then go up here and copy what is inside. Then you Control C, then enter. Then go to I23, and we're gonna highlight the part that we want to replace. And then Control V. And at female, you're gonna change it to male. Make sure it's capital M because I wrote capital M. And then we're gonna do the same for overweight people as well. So click here, copy here, Control C, enter, click here. Then we're gonna copy the code, Control V, and then change it to male, enter. Now the average BMI for the males. Okay, so we're gonna copy the formula from the average females right here. So let's copy the codes. Control C. Go here. Oops, my bad. You're supposed to press enter first. Enter. Go here. Select the one that you need to change. Control V. And then change female to male. Enter. So there you have it. You have the average BMI for females and also the average BMI for males. Okay. So in case if you're afraid of losing anything, press the save button, but we do that later, okay? Because now we're gonna include the pie charts. Okay, let's start with including the pie chart for females. So highlight the pink color part right here. Go to insert, go to pie charts, 2D pie chart, okay? Oops, my bad. So you click from the white space, then put it right here, just right underneath there. Okay. So you're gonna double click on chart title. You're gonna rename it as percentage of females underweight, healthy, and overweight. Okay, right now you can't see the percentage. So what you do is go to chart design, go down. I'm going to choose one that shows the percentage. So I'm going to choose style 3, which shows the percentage right here. Okay, perfect. If the pie chart is too big, you can always adjust it smaller. Oops. And then click on the gray space and then move it lower. Okay. Now, we're going to do the same for the male data as well. So select the blue part, insert, pie chart, 2D pie chart. Okay, you're going to rename the chart title percentage of males underweight, healthy, and overweight. Okay. Then we're going to choose chart design, style 3. Then I'm going to rearrange right here and then make the chart slightly smaller. Okay, now we have done with the 2 pie charts. At the end, we're going to put the bar chart to compare the 2 genders. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to select the pink color part right here, all of the pink, but only the number parts of the blue. So how do you select these 3 areas right here? Okay, once you select the pink part, press and hold Control, and then click on the blue part right here. Now you have selected this parts right here. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and then click the fourth option right here. Click here, press OK. I'm gonna scroll down a bit. I'm gonna put down the chart right here. Okay, now we're gonna name the chart title as Comparison of Females and Males Underweight, Healthy, and Overweight. Okay, and then we're gonna change series 1 and series 2 to male and female and male. Okay, so if you notice, the blue color is actually the female. Okay, so let's click here and then click at the funnel, the chart filters, select data. Okay, I'm gonna click at series 1, edit. Remember, series 1 is female. Then click OK. Click at series 2, edit, change it to male. Then click OK. Then after that, click OK. Alright, so you want to show the number of at the bar chart, right? So what you do is go to chart design again, choose the fourth option where you can show the number of people right here. Here is the number of females, the one in blue, and the one in orange is the number of male. Okay, so now once you are done, okay, right here, okay. Oh, we are missing something right here. We haven't put the overall average BMI. So I'm gonna put here overall average BMI. So meaning we're gonna find the average BMI regardless of gender. So what we're gonna do is go to C3 equal average, open bracket, go to calculations, select, okay, gonna select from, let's see, here all the way up to here. Okay, so from, you're selecting from E4 until E33, then press enter. So now you have the average BMI for 30 people. Okay, it's not separating the genders now. For these are the ones that separate the gender. If you look right here, this is average BMI for females, this is average BMI for males. Okay, now once you are done, what you can do is go to File, Save, Browse. Okay, now go to Documents. Okay, now once you are in Documents, double click on your folder. So it'll show Documents, your name and class. We're gonna name your file as TE2 A1, your name, and your class. Okay? So once you are done, press Save. Now you are done with your assignment 1 for the Excel project. So after this, you're gonna type a Word document report. Okay, the example is on the website. Go to Google Chrome, SJIPICT, year 4, add the example right here. I've already showed the example right here. So basically everything that is in yellow, you have to change it. Okay, all right. Okay, so here is the example. you can follow, but not entirely, because your data might be different. Okay, understand? Okay, so that is all for the Excel project tutorial.